How do? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Cyprus. Now just a little video for you today. We're staying in the Sunrise Jade in Protaras, and I'm going to show you a room tour of a swim up room which we've got here. So let's go and have a look at this room. Let's go. So we start at the entrance. Then you've got your emergency fire exits as always. On the wall here you've got a nice little gadget that does all the lights. So you've gone from your master, which does them all, you do not disturb, you make up my room, the bathroom and the ceiling lights. It's very good, that. As we walk in to the bathroom. Hi guys. So straight away we've got a rainfall shower. Very nice, very big shower, powerful this as well, really nice shower. See a little shelf for your condiments. As we pan round, we've got a massive mirror with lights, shaving mirror, and a dual sink for him and her. You do get, with this room, you do get slippers and a dressing gown. So yeah, we've got the obligatory toilet. Yeah, it's a nice bathroom. Right, as we spin round, we've got some open shelving here. There's a drawer, and that's where we're putting the shoes. Full length mirror for the ladies to get ready. And inside you've got your clothes, hanging space, and 4 drawers. So lots and lots of storage in there. And if we go to the other side, open storage at the top again, hanging space and another drawer at the bottom. Here you've got your air conditioning, which only works when you're in the room, and I don't know how that works yet, and when the balcony's shut. So if we just press auto, and on it comes. Now the good thing about this hotel is it does have English sockets, so you don't have to fetch your adapters with you. Also USBs and another light switch combo there. Bedside table with 2 drawers in it. You've got your bedside lamp on the wall, and this bed is absolutely huge. This has got to be a queen, and I'll tell you what, we've been here a couple of nights and it is absolutely really comfy. So yeah, massive bed that. Over here then we have a desk with a stool and a mirror. 2 lights again. And as we come down here, we have a TV. You get a coffee machine. We've bought them, you don't get them. In here they do give you a kettle if you like to make a cup of tea. And in this one you've got your tea, your coffee, your cups as well. They do replace the tea and the coffee every day, so you won't run out of pods. In this cupboard here we have the safe, which is big enough for a laptop. It's quite deep, that safe. Some more storage. And in the other side you've got your mini fridge. So that's your mini fridge. Now with the mini fridge, they do fill it up on the day of arrival, and then they just replace the water, which you get 2 bottles every day. They'll put 2 bottles of water in there for you. Anything else that you see in there, they don't replenish. So you can, whatever they put in, there was some beer, there was some wine, you can drink that, that's free, but they don't replenish that for you. So you're going to have to go to the shop and replenish that yourself. But like I said, they do give you water. So spinning around, we've got another plug on this side and 2 USBs again. There's your phone and another bedside table, identical to the other side. And then we have 2 chairs, like a lovely seating area. It's really nice actually, that. and then we go out onto the balcony. Now this is an upgraded room. Just open this. This is actually an upgraded room. So there is a supplement for this room, and there's only 10 of these rooms in this hotel. So yeah, I'll show you now the swim up. So we just unflip that, push that down. And as you can see, so you've got a towel holder there. You get 2 chairs and a table and then a bed and your access into the pool. So yeah, we'll go back inside because it's absolutely roasting out here. It's 40 degrees today. So yeah, that's your upgraded room here at the Sunrise Jade in Protaras. It's honestly, it's a lovely room. They clean it every day. They're very friendly, and yeah, it's if you want your own pool, I'd highly recommend this. It is nice to dip into that. The only downside to this room is that you do lose the sun at about midday on your balcony. So the sun goes over the hotel. So you do get your own sunbed round the pool, which you pick when you get here. I'll tell you more about that in the hotel tour, which I will put at the end of this video, a link to it. So yeah, it's a nice room. We love just jumping into the pool when we can, and yeah, it's nice. So yeah, very roomy, lovely big room. So yeah, that's the Sunrise Jade swim up room. Like I say, it's just a small video today just to show you around the room and what the upgrade gives you if you're looking to come here and looking to upgrade. So thank you so much for coming with me. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link up here now for the hotel tour so you can have a look at the hotel, which I'm going to do separately. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.